Hi guys, welcome back. My name's Karen. I otherwise go by Crafty Emerald, and today I have a unboxing for you guys. This unboxing comes from the folks over at Oraloa. Now, I've had a couple of Oraloas in the past and I've had absolutely no problem with them whatsoever. They do an array of different things. They have diamond paintings, they have cross stitch, they've got puzzles. They've also got something called Pixel Hobby as well. But I am going to show you a diamond painting today. Now I will go over the box with you briefly because the last time I had an Oraloa, I think the box was slightly different. It's been a little while since I've ordered from them. But as you can see, they are a French company. I believe they've got a warehouse over in France and I believe possibly Canada as well. I'm not 100% sure. I can't remember, unfortunately. I should have done my research a bit more, to be honest. But I mean, with me being over in the UK, this one came from France. Okay, their website is based in French, but you can get it translated, as I was looking for, in English. Okay, so let your creativity sparkle. They've got the little tiki character on the end. Okay, I'm going to boost you up slightly. You got your instructions on the back, both in English and French. Okay, I apologise if it is blurry. The last couple of times recorded, my video camera has been a bit iffy with me. Okay, and then you've got your bits and bobs down at the bottom as well. Okay, you got your little bits and bobs there. You got your social medias down at the bottom. You tag the website as well. You got your array of different sticker characters there as well. Okay. And the kit I am going to show you today is Sunny Christmas by Jenna Swann. Now, I don't believe she's been out for very long. She is so cute. So this one looks like it would be good for colour blocking, if you're a fan of your colour blocking. I know we're in the middle, well, I say middle of the year. It's hard to believe it's the middle of the year already. Just turned into June. So I know it's odd opening a Christmas kit at the beginning of June, but oh well. So we have your canvas there. Nothing else in the box. Okay. Put that to one side for a sec. Now, they always come in this like protective dust bag. Okay. And I believe everything is tucked inside canvas. Oh, there we go. And then we'll come out. Give it a bit of a rustle for it. There we go. There's your canvas. It's quite a soft canvas. And there's all your drills. Okay. Christmassy themed drills. And there is your toolkit. Okay. Have a quick flick through, show you what you get. Having them all out. There we go. So you get one of your basic diamond paint pens. Okay. Got a clear one with a brass tip. This would be good for beginners. You've got I would say that's probably a 7-placer. I think a thick 7-placer. Okay. You got a grip, washi tape. There's a 3-placer in there as well, if you can just about see it. There's your wax and a little tray as well. Okay. And I believe these are squares. Yeah, so because they're squares, you get a pair of these. Okay. Now, yeah, very sharp pair of tweezers there. So you gotta be very careful with them if you use tweezers. They will shank, they will injure. So if you keep the protective cap on them, you'll be absolutely fine. Some people use tweezers, some people don't. I can't get on with them for my life. And then, if I can get them out of the bag, we have a few bits and bobs. So I've got quite a cool looking card as well. That's something definitely different from last time. And that's quite cool. Then it looks like it's a sticker. Again, it's quite cool. Some cool little knickknacks. And then we got a little thank you as well, which looks quite cool. All of them look quite cool. And then you've got your branded bag as well. Okay. Try and fight all these back in here. This to one side, I didn't get them in. Gotta fight me like anything, isn't it? There we go. And there, keep them safe. Now, I didn't see a... There it is in there. There is a couple of bits and bobs. You have a big old A4 leaflet. Okay. Got several different languages there for you. You let your creativity sparkle with your discount code. Okay. And you got some instructions and tips and tricks as well. Again, in a few different languages, several different languages for you. Okay, the basic tips and tricks and instructions on how to garden pages. We've never done it before. Now, there should be a legend somewhere. Aha! There we go. There it is. Oh, that is definitely different from last time. But this is your legend. Now, they had it the same size when I last had one, but they had it in a different layout. It was more vertical. That's what I was thinking of. They had it vertically, not horizontally. But it wasn't any nice shiny silver. But there is your Sunny Christmas. Okay, your groovy little characters all knocking around, your nice bright colourful characters. She's at 53.7 by 70 centimetres. Okay. Excuse me. Okay, or a 21.14 by 27.56. Okay. She has 55 colours. How she has 55 colours, I don't know. We'll find out, I suppose. That's when we find out. And she has 1, 2, 3 ABs. 1, 2, 3, 4 other drills. The ND drills are new to me. Okay, so it's got 3 ABs, which is your sparkly colours. The ND is a new one on me. Okay, so quick look at the colours. See off the bat, if my camera will focus, that is your AB. I might be able to get it out actually, because Oraloa tends to bag them up in baggies, so if you're one that works from baggies, then you're all kitted up, you're all ready to go. Me, personally, I don't tend to work from baggies, I tend to work from little containers. Excuse me for a sec. Okay guys, sorry about that. I was bleating. Okay, so that is one of your bees. Okay, so that's an Aurora Borealis. It's that sparkly little coating on the top. Okay, that gives it its shine and shimmer. Okay, that'll make your canvas pop out a bit more. Now, I'm not sure what your NDs actually are. So your NDs, I don't know if you'll be able to tell. Come on, focus, please, come on. Your ND is a glitter drill. You may not be able to see that, unfortunately, because my camera is being very uncooperative. And it doesn't help that it's yellow either. So let me see if I can find. Okay, you might be able to tell a bit easier on the green. Yeah, there you go, that's better. You see that shimmer that you got on the green? That is an ND, that is like a glitter. Okay, that's a glitter drill. Okay, which is quite cool. I've only just recently put those in, I think, because the last kits I had from Oraloa only had ABs. So let's snap them in there well. Okay, so we'll pop these down. I'll give you a quick overview of the canvas. Now, these canvases are quite soft. Okay, they are called glue. So we can roll these back without a problem. Okay. Got all your details down there, your social medias, your website, okay. You got poked and scalped edges as well, to stop it from fraying. As you can see there, symbols are as clear as day. Never had a problem with any of Oraloa's kits at all. Always been nice and clear for me. Got your Let Your Creativity Sparkle on the bottom. You've got your details down at the bottom there as well. Now Oraloa, I believe, do copyright for their images, so any artist will get compensated for their work. Okay, there. It is a good size. Still don't know how she manages to get 55 colours in there. Move you back. There she is. She's a good size. You've got a legend top left, bottom right. Okay, she looks like she's going to colour block quite well for 55 colours. Again, where 55 colours is in her, I have no idea. But she is quite stunning. She is a pretty girl. Nice glorious beach at Christmas time. So I'm going to quickly go over where some of these drills will go, these fancy drills. Okay, so we determined that the ND drills are your sparkly glitter. Okay, so you've got 1, 2, 3, 4 of those. You've got a yellow, a green, an orange and a red. Okay, so you've got like a fence, you've got it like a fidget spinner, I suppose. You've got a sideways is, and then you've got 2 diagonal lines. So you've got the orange in a bracelet. Okay, I will shout them out as I see them, just to make it a bit easier. You've got the yellow fairy dust, I suppose. I'm used to another company, your glitter drill on top of her top there. The green got in the holly on a hat, and on the holly on her armbands, on her decorative armbands. The red, can't really really set you much in the way of the red, to be honest. It's like two diagonal sort of lines meeting in the middle. I don't think there's many of them because I can't see them anywhere. I apologise for the shadow effect. Slowly getting dark over here with us. It's about 8 o'clock where I am, so it's still light outside but losing daylight. I'm not having much luck with that reddy orange, so we're going to move on to the ABs, which is a blue, a green and a very light blue, which is a star, a circle with a plus and then a percent sign. Okay, so got a little bit of the percent sign here. Can't even see many of the ABs, to be honest with you. They're hiding in this canvas today. These drills. I will try and stay out of the light if I can. I can't see many in the way of these ABs either, to be honest with you. Seem to be hiding them. So the blue ones, it's mainly going to be in a necklace. By the look of it, the ABs are more likely to be in a 2 bead necklaces. So the green on the bottom and then the 2 blues on the top one. Mainly in our 2 necklaces by the look of it. I will apologise for the banging outside. Someone's around in their car. So judging by the look of it, the ABs and the glitter drills mainly going to be sort of in the holly, in the necklaces, and sort of around here. Okay, but you can always bling her up if you want to. You're always more than welcome to add drills to bling her up yourself. But this is Sunny Christmas by Jenna Swann. I think she'll go really quickly because she's got a lot of small sort of like colour blocking areas. If you like, she's not a massive amount of confetti in her at all. She's looking quite cool. Okay, and that is what I have for you today. There is your array of colours for her as well. So definitely Christmassy colours. And nice warm tropical Christmas. I do hope you enjoyed this unboxing. I hope it wasn't too rambly for you. Okay. I hope you enjoy the rest of your evening. I will try and get this up when I can. May not be till tomorrow, may not get it done tonight, may it be up either tomorrow or in the next couple of days at least. But I will try and get it done tonight. But I hope you have a good rest of your day, evening, night, morning, wherever you are. And I will see you soon. Bye guys.